Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Gmail templates to speed up replies in minutes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Gmail templates, first, sign in to your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the settings menu, navigate to the Advanced tab. Look for the Templates option and click on the radio button to enable it. After enabling templates, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. To create a template, click on Compose to start a new email. Type your email content that you would like to save as a template. Once you have finished writing the email, click on the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. From the pop-up menu, select Templates, then hover over Save Draft as Template. Click on Save as New Template. Give your template a name, making it easy to identify later. To use your template in the future, click on Compose again. In the new email window, click on the three vertical dots once more. Hover over Templates and select the template you want to use. The content will automatically populate in the email body. Make any necessary adjustments and add the recipient's email address. Finally, hit Send to deliver your email quickly. Enabling Gmail templates can significantly speed up your email replies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.